automotive electrical manufacturing and supply organisation. The organisation commenced operation in 1992 and has since adopted a broad competitive scope, offering a wide range of products to consumers. Its customers are made up of original equipment manufacturers from around the globe. They have initially had less of a focus on quality and more on innovation and development of products to satisfy customers. In this presentation, we'll give you an insight of the key issues and challenges that were presented, strategies used from 2012 to 2015, and our recommendations for the organisation moving forward into the future. The new strategic direction has resulted in changes to the business system model and also introduction of a balanced scorecard.
Evident that Delta Signal have experienced some major key issues and challenges throughout the organisation's lifetime. Some of the major barriers include Delta Signal don't have a concise value proposition offered to consumers. This is ultimately making it difficult for the firm to capture a larger percentage of the market and is leaving them at a disadvantage compared to major competitors. Moving on, Delta Signal Corporation were producing over 2,000 distinct and specified products across 100 separate production lines. In turn, this is creating an inefficient workplace for the company as a whole. Upon entering the new market of Asia, Delta Signal did not have a clear product line or distinguishable offering to the consumer market. Through this, Delta Signal were unable to make full use of their resources upon this investment. The overall perceived quality of the organisation was also below average in comparison to major competitors. This is primarily due to the organisation shifting its resources towards an innovation and R&D approach. This proved to be a major barrier for Delta Signal as they were forced to realign their strategic objectives to address this growing concern.
For further success of Delta Signal, the continued production of high-quality products with long-term durability is recommended within the economy segment. Due to the significant increase in the cost of living, specifically the rising prices of gasoline, insurance and maintenance expenses associated with using a vehicle, as well as the increase in the middle-class market in Delta Signal's countries of operation such as Asia, a focus on quality adheres to the current demands of the market as well as the foreseeable demands of reducing household expenditure. The pursuit of an inside-out approach or resource leveraging strategy is also deemed beneficial for the future success of Delta Signal. Nowadays, consumers are expecting products of high quality, and even the slightest of problems or variation from a company's stated product offering can significantly alter a customer's perception of the product and the brand. If a product or brand is tarnished due to such a discrepancy, the company will cease to operate. This reinforces the view regarding the importance of a company's resources to maintaining success. Additionally, focusing on quality means that Delta Signal's products will be able to provide the foundation for many innovative product designs to be built upon, upholding the business desire of environmental concern. Upon the next 3 years, if Delta Signal continues on its upward success, the options of expanding its product line into that of innovation within the luxury segment is plausible. A market adaptation approach, if successfully executed, is beneficial in order to obtain a competitive advantage in a competitive industry to become market leader. But due to the instability of the economy and constant fluctuations of market demands, expansion should only occur if Delta Signal's core resource competencies regarding quality are not compromised. Such expansions can also extend to supplying parts to the hydrogen and electric-powered vehicle industry that is considered a threat to Delta Signal as it stands, as well as the possibility of entering other transportation supply industries including aeronautics and maritime industries. This potential for Delta Signal to expand to such areas should be heavily researched and analysed and closely discussed with its key stakeholders.
The 4 objectives that best represent our strategy in changing Delta Signal from an innovative market adaptation strategy to the use of resource leveraging in our pursuit of quality as a predictor of long-term durability. Our first key objective is to increase our sales. There has been a steady increase between periods 0 to 7 from 480 million to approximately 836 million. During period 8, there is a slight decline to 813 million. Factors that have led to the decline include the reallocation from customer preference towards learning and growth perspective. This decision is deliberate for future development. Customers rank guarantee best in class. Our key objective was to increase our reputation for standing behind quality. The key initiative that we used was no questions asked replacement policy. This was allocated between periods 3 to 5 and 7 and 8. During period 6, this initiative was not implemented, leading to a decline from 83% to 56%. Once reallocated, this increased to 71% up to 83%. During period 6, we reallocated our resources to research and development, which has led to this decline. New designs with wear-resistant parts. Our key objective here was to design for high quality. The key initiative that we used was research and development into wear-resistant parts. This is the development of new technology to improve quality and durability of all parts. During periods 3 to 4, this was not allocated, leading to a stagnation of 29% for 3 periods. Once reallocated, this was increased to 33%. Manufacturing defect rates. Our key objective here was to eliminate product defects. The 2 key initiatives that we used were the Initial Quality Inspection Program and the Kaizen Team Defect Reduction Program. Both these initiatives aim to proactively inspect product for quality and manufacture defects. These ongoing programs aim to improve supply quality improvement training and communication programs to contribute to lowering defect rates. The defect rates increased in periods 6 to 7 due to Kaizen not being implemented in periods 3 to 6 and initial quality inspection not being implemented in period 5, leading to an increase in defect rate from 0.0685% in period 5 to 0.3551% in period 7. Once re-implemented, the manufacturer defect rate decreased to 0.0730% in period 8.
Despite facing many major difficulties, Delta Signal were able to effectively respond to these barriers through the realignment of their organisational strategy. This proved to be beneficial for the firm as they were able to focus on improved quality and durability, ultimately focusing on the key strategy of low lifetime costs. Moving forward, a continued focus on quality and low lifetime costs will allow Delta Signal Corporation to recapture the market through improved perceived value, which will lead to increased business success both now and in the future.